Hey y'all, it's Kenny here. I'm back today, you guys, and I'm coming to you all with some hair here from the Barb life. Y'all know I have to bring you quality, and y'all know I had to bring out these summer colors, pink, purple, yellow, you know, all that. So I know y'all have been asking me pretty much how I pluck my hairline, how I get it to look natural, and I pretty much feel like the colored wigs are really hard to get that hairline natural and make it look kind of flawless. So in this tutorial, I'm just gonna show y'all how you get that hairline right and tint that lace. So y'all, let's just get into it. So I'm using some water just to pretty much loosen the knot a little bit. What that does is make it so much easier to pluck the knot right on out the lace. So I always use water just to get started. So as you'll see, I'm using some tweezers that are not like your typical tweezers. They have like a little pointed tip, and so I will leave like pretty much the ones that I use in the description box below. But as you all can see, I'm going in and pretty much taking my time, and I am plucking behind the hairline, in front of the hairline, and then also, as you all can see in this particular clip, I am taking the hair, pulling it forward and plucking a little bit behind the hair. I love a natural looking hairline, you guys, and that's what I like to achieve. I don't like to go too thin on the hairline because y'all have to accommodate and allocate for shedding. You will have to allocate for rubbing, and when those knots fall out, the last thing you want is a balding frontal. Like, that's a no-go. Like that, no, period, poop. We not doing that. So like I said, I just really like to go in and take my time with this and pluck a little bit at a time. I don't do chunks because the thing about chunks is if you take too much out, ain't no putting it back in. Y'all, I really feel like the trick to plucking a bomb frontal are tweezers. Like, you need to get you some tweezers that's gonna work for you. These are the pointed tips, so I feel like these are like precision like tweezers. You can get each hair. It's very detailed. You can part through the hair with the tweezers. I mean, these tweezers are bomb. That's why I use these. These are like my secret tweezers. But I really love these tweezers, y'all, and I feel like this is key to just plucking a bomb ass frontal. So I'm gonna let y'all continue watching this video, and I'm going to shut up for now. So we are pretty much done plucking that lace, y'all, and this is also a secret that I like, and that is just tinting the lace of your colored frontal or wig. Y'all, this Taylor Crown lace tint is by far one of my favorite lace tints. It's quick, it's easy, and y'all, it's affordable. So I like to just do stuff that's kind of easy so that I'm not doing too much to the wig to begin with. So y'all want to go ahead and make sure that you saturate the lace. And y'all asked me about a year ago on my blonde wig, Kenny, what did you use? Y'all, I used this lace tint. It was so quick, and I didn't have all that time to be doing anything to that lace. So I pretty much let this air dry after I saturate the lace, y'all. And what I liked about it is that it darkened the root a little bit. So it made the colored wig kind of blend in a lot better and just gave it more of a natural look. So if you guys want to see how I install this baby, make sure you like, share, and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all later.